Hello there, and thank you very much for joining us in this new Azure Portal how-to video. Today, we'll learn about soft delete in blobs, in storage accounts, and for that we have Matt DiPietro, who's going to show us how to do that. So thank you very much for joining us, Matt.
Hey, thanks for having me, Leon. So yes, a soft delete is a feature in storage that allows you to save and recover any of your blobs or blob snapshots that are either been deleted or overwritten. So the way I think of this as, think of your desktop when you delete a file. It goes to your trash can. In that trash can, you have the option to restore that file or actually permanently delete that file. So I think of soft delete in the same way. So I'm going to look into the portal. There's two different ways you can enable soft delete. The first way is actually when you create your storage account. If you were to go to the Advanced tab, there's a new section called Data Protection. In Data Protection, you have the option to enable or disable soft delete. By default, soft delete is disabled, but you can enable it, and it has a retention period. So essentially this says that for whenever a blob is deleted, you have a retention period for in which the storage account will save that file. In this case, we'll save a file for 7 days, but it can go up to 365.
And 7 is the default, right?
7 is the default, yeah. So now when we go into the storage account, if you scroll down in the settings, you can go to the soft delete tab under Blob service. This is going to show you that exact same experience. You can either enable or disable soft delete from the storage account. In this case, I have it retained for 24 days for the storage account.
So basically, you can configure when you create the resource, or if you have a resource that is already created, you can do it after the fact. So if you missed it during creation, that's fine.
Correct, yeah. So now I'm going to go to my blob container. I'm going to go to the container called soft delete. In this container, I see the list of blobs. I want to go to the blob soft delete demo. When you're in the blob settings, there's a tab on the top called snapshots. This tab allows you to see the manually created snapshots as well as the soft deleted snapshots you have for that blob. In this case, think of clicking the buttons Show Deleted Snapshots as go into your trash can on your desktop. You now have a status column, which is your active snapshots and your deleted snapshots. All of these deleted snapshots are the soft deleted states. So in this case, I overwrit this file soft delete demo multiple times. If I want to restore these snapshots, you can go back to the overview page and click Undelete All Snapshots. Now if I go back to the Snapshots tab, I see all of those deleted stated snapshots in an active state. If I wanted to promote one of these snapshots to be the base active blob, you can select it and click Promote Snapshot. Now that specific version of that soft deleted snapshot is now active.
So basically, if I accidentally deleted a version of my blob, I can recover it, and even I can set it as the main image for that blob, right?
Correct. Yeah. So there's one more scenario that I want to go over. That was showing you if you were to overwrite an existing blob. What happens if you accidentally deleted the main blob itself? So now that I go back to that soft delete container, this is the list of blobs that I currently have in that container. The same way you can view all of your snapshots, you can view all of your soft deleted blobs itself. So if I click on Show Deleted Blobs, in the same experience, I see a status of active and deleted blobs. So this text file is a deleted blob, and in the properties of that text file, I see that the status was deleted. And for whatever retention period that you select for your storage account, it'll tell you how many days left you have remaining before that blob is actually officially deleted. In this case, I want to undelete this blob. So when you undelete a blob, it's actually going to undelete the base blob as well as all of the snapshots associated to that blob. Now that the operation was complete, I can go back to that undeleted blob, and now I see that it's active, and now I can view all of those snapshots that were associated to that blob. So these are two different ways that you can easily undelete a soft deleted overwrite or the base blob itself with soft delete as a feature.
Thank you very much, Matt. It's great. And thanks every one of you for watching. Please leave us a comment in the comment section or follow us on Twitter, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much.